Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I got something a little bit different for you guys today. I got the Pro-Keds Royal High sneakers. These MSRP for $64.95, which is the price that I got them for. And I got these on Amazon.com because I felt like the shipping on them would have been quicker than if I got them on the website. So without further ado, let's get into it. Right off the bat here, we do have the cardboard brown box. It's just your typical brown box with the Pro-Ked Royal, with the Pro-Ked logo written on it. It's nothing too special. It's made out of 100% recyclable material. But yeah, nothing much to say about the box. Let's get these open. Alright, there they are, the Pro-Keds. Oof, there it is, a timeless classic. The classic Pro-Keds. These are really clean, very similar obviously to a Converse, so I'm going to be making quite a bit of comparisons to the Converse, and we're going to talk about some features, but let me first get both of these out here. Real quick, I want to talk about the presentation of these. They do come with this really nice tissue paper that says Pro-Keds on it. I don't think you guys can really see it on the camera here, but that's a nice little detail that I liked. Also, they included this card that they include for you to look at. You know, it tells a bit about the history about it. I'm not gonna read the whole back of it for you guys, but I'll flash a picture of it, and if you guys want to pause it, you guys can. Also, not just that, I do like the fact that they put these cardboard inserts in here to hold the canvas up, which is really nice compared to like a Converse where they just kind of fold them up in there for you. I do appreciate that little bit of detail and extra care that they did. But yeah, super clean sneaker. Let's do a quick little smell test. Ooh, yeah. It's got that amazing new shoe rubbery smell to it. I love it. Never get tired of that smell right there. So the construction for these is your typical canvas upper with the rubber sole. It does have the brown gum on the bottom, which is nice. According to the website, the canvas that it's made out of is a 12.5 ounce canvas, and it feels really weighty and sturdy, which I like. So that's always really nice. Let's talk about some quick features of the shoe. Features the aluminum lace holes like a Converse. Also, it has the lace holder on the tongue just like a Converse. Also, it's got the breathability holes in the insides of the shoe just like a Converse. However, unlike a Converse, it has the stripes on the toe, which is a nice little detail that I like. They decided to keep it classic with the stripes, and then it also has the stripes on the side, which is also really nice. It gives it more of a sporty look to it. So it combines that classiness with the sporty look to it, which I can really dig. So if we move around to the back here, it features the Pro-Ked stamp on the back. Really nice. Also, interesting note is that this piece on the back here is quite a bit thicker than something like a Converse, which is, which I think helps the canvas out with sturdiness, which is why I also think that they put these inserts in here, because they didn't want this to be all folded up. So the attention to detail is definitely there. You can tell they're definitely proud of their history, and they wanted to keep it classic, which is super cool. I can always appreciate that. Like I said, the bottom is a gum, but what's nice is it has a typical diamond pattern with circles and squares on it. Around the edge, we do have this kind of grippy pattern to it, and then towards the toe and the heel of the shoe, you have a striped pattern to it. So it's nothing too crazy on the bottom here. They kept it basic. So a quick little history for you guys on the Pro-Keds. Pro-Keds was actually created back in 1949, and this style, the Royal, was actually the first style of shoes that they came out with, which is pretty cool. And they were endorsed by George McCon, who played for the Minnesota Lakers at the time. So that's a cool little brief history for these. They got a lot of rich history. You can tell they're definitely proud of that history because of the card that they send you. But yeah, overall, I think this is just a really nice Converse style shoe that kind of sees itself as a little more gentrified, a little fancier, a little more classic than something like a Converse. You can tell with the design they kept it classic, like I said, in reference back to their roots. And not just that, but when you compare it to something like a white Converse, this is actually more of a cream colored, you know, and this is the all white colorway. But yeah, it's definitely a shoe that really, or a brand I should say, that is really proud of its history, and I think that's something that's super respectable, especially for a non-hyped and a smaller brand like Pro-Keds. So yeah, let's go get these on feet. Comfort wise, it feels almost identical to a Converse, so no surprise there. The padding is nice and soft, so can't complain. The shoe fits true to size, unlike a Converse which you have to go like a full size down with. But overall, this shoe is super classy and it pairs really nicely with pretty much any denim. Obviously, you're going to have to be careful not to get these dirty, as any little thing you do will definitely show up on these shoes. So that's really going to be it for me, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. Next week, I got another Puma shoe, so be on the lookout for that. As always, enjoy the rest of the on feeds and have a good one.